guys, I know this lighting is bad because I'm in my hub, in the dorm, in the hub right now. As you can see, there's the outside view, but just want to say hey, what's up, and tell you a little bit about myself. I used to have a dog when I was little, and his name was Chucky, but and my dad found him, but we couldn't keep him. And I just wanted to tell you a story about him. I made a short little video that I think gets the point across pretty well. But yeah, things have been going pretty good for me here in college. I've had a lot of homework, and yeah, not a lot of time to finish it, but all the people on my floor are pretty cool. They want to talk to me anyway. But yeah, here's the video.
So I want to tell you the story about how my dog died. Well, when I was younger, we had a dog, and we named Chucky. Except for, we couldn't keep him, so my dad took him to some train tracks to get rid of him. And I was little, so I didn't really ask. Until I did ask him one day, and he said he took him to some train tracks. And I said, oh, what happened to him? And then he said, Chucky was dead. And he was eaten by wild dogs. However, I was little, so I don't really remember much about Chucky.